Katulad ng pagmamahal ko sa sarili ko at sa kinabukasan ko, ganun din ang pagmamahal ko sa aking mga kapamilya at kakilala. Pero ang masakit, mas nakikinig sila sa mga negatibong kaisipan ng iba nilang mga kakilala. Pero hindi pa naman huli ang lahat. Take charge of your future today. When I post about savings and investment, be curious and be cautious if you're not aware about financial literacy. I just want you to know that financial education is for everyone. Intelligence solves problem and produces money. Money without financial intelligence is money soon gone. You pay the price but you get the value. So katulad na lamang ng mga ito sa healthcare or HMO, life insurance, investment, emergency funds, when the policy matures. If you don't believe what I post, research what I post. Lamang po ang may alam.